morning, Miss Maria. How are you? Good morning, Miss Maria. How are you, Bella? It's time to start the day with a very happy day. Good morning, Miss Maria. How are you? Okay, now we are going to pass a list. And the first person that I'm going to ask if he's ever at the classroom is Maria at the classroom? Yes, where is? Where is Maria? Here is Maria. Stand up and put in your photo. Come on. Pick your photo. Well done. And put it on the flower. Come on. And here is your photo. Well done, Maria. Oh, don't worry. Maria, now you need to say, good morning, friends. I'm Nora Kids. Okay, and Nora? Come on, Nora. Well, no, Nora. Now, could you say, good morning, friends? And Nora Kids. Nora Kids. And give me 5. Take a seat. Perfect. Next one. Is Mate, no, your sheep is there. Between Bella and Miguel. Thank you. Is Bella at the classroom? Yes! Where is Bella? Where is Bella? Here is Bella. Stand up. Pick your photo. Stand up. Pick your photo and put it on the flower. Come on. Oh, fantastic! Now say good morning, friends. I'm Laura Kids. Give me 5. Perfect. Take a seat again. Another one. Sarah. Wait. Is Matthew at the classroom? Yes. Here is Get on the tail. Could you stand up, pick your photo, and put it on the flower? Come on. Stand up, pick your photo, and put it on the flower. Alejandro. That's enough, my love. Come on. Say good morning. I'm Lucky. Lucky. Perfect. Invite. Okay, great. And another next to Alvaro, please. Change your seat. Vega is at the classroom. Where is Vega? Here is Camila. Stand up and pick your flower and put it on the wall. Camila. No, here. Hey, great! And no. You must say, good morning. I'm Lava Kids. Lava Kids, your friend. And give me 5. Perfect. Take a seat. Another one, Raquel. You Raquel.